Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, keeping track of your stock is kinda crucial to avoid overselling. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually manage your inventory on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are basically fully connected to the internet, everything is looking good. Go and look for Wix.com in the search bar. After this, we're gonna open the website, then go log in using your email address and password so we can actually access the main dashboard. Okay, so we have this here, we have the save, we have the marketing button. Okay, I will show you for example marketing home, email marketing, customer and leads, contacts, meetings. We have the inbox, AI agent, automations. As for now, you should go all the way to store products. Okay, so let me show you for example. All you're gonna do, look for store products. Okay, for example, we're gonna go all the way, then enable the inventory tracking. Yeah, that's it basically. All you're gonna do is enable the inventory tracking. You can also look for it. As you see here, abandoned cash or cards can be recovered cards. We have all of this information here. Okay, for example, we're gonna go just to look for inventory. You can actually check if there is some app that would help you inventory. Turn Amazon, eBay, check shop. As you see, there is multiple apps for your website, so you can add them if you want to. Wix store about inventory management. You can also tap on this one, allow once. It will take you to the support directly, where they're gonna take you here to basically give you all of the information needed. There is also this AI helpmate. You can ask whatever questions you want, and they're gonna answer you. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.